Hi, my name's Ralph, owner and operator of Krystal Koach Limousines, Adelaide, South Australia. We've been in the limousine hire business for 30 years plus, and we specialise in weddings, corporate functions, school formals, winery tours, day trips, etc. We've been using ULX110 in our fleet of limousines for over 15 years. We started using ULX110 in our first limousine, which was a Lincoln Continental, and then we moved on to the Fairlanes, the LTDs. These limousines consisted of petrol and LPG, and then we had a fleet of double-decker buses, and now my latest limousine, which is the Chrysler 300C Super Stretch. As a business owner, we looked at trying to reduce running costs, and when I first heard about ULX110, I was very skeptical. Number one, we found an improvement in our fuel economy in our fleet of limousines. Number two, we found we could double the distance between oil changes. And number three, reduced engine wear. How? I personally had the oil independently analysed. And 15 years later, I'm still using the product.